Better personalized messaging. Going all the way back to the time of mid-century advertising, marketers knew that when you sent a message mattered, and timing still matters. The time of day you send an email matters, especially if your customer base spans time zones and continents. If you batch all your emails to send at the same time, then someone in Paris will receive your message at the same time as someone in San Francisco. Personalized marketing is derived from growing collections of first and third-party customer data to create a robust marketing experience that's specifically tuned to an individual's behaviors and preferences. Instill customer loyalty by continuing to send SMS updates after a sale is complete. Check in every step of the way to let them know when the order is confirmed, once it's processed, and as soon as it's out for delivery. Using casual and friendly language helps keep users excited about the order. When done right, personalized marketing increases brand loyalty, engagement and conversions, and customer retention. Unlike generalized brand-focused marketing, personalized marketing reflects unique customer attributes of engagement. Users receive an average of 96 emails a day, but only read 63 of them. Marketing emails are up against short attention spans, and users worry of spam. In the end, customers not only want to engage with customized marketing messages, they expect to. And as personalization becomes more common, it will be harder to stand out. Personalization messaging uses customer data like past purchases, demographics, and browsing history to tailor digital marketing to a consumer's unique character traits. It is so common that consumers now expect it in emails, text messages, and in-app experiences. If you send a text message to a customer, you should have a response plan in place in case they text back. Whether you have a real person on the other end of the line or a two-way texting platform that sends automated replies, anything is better than leaving a customer hanging. It's possible to analyze and collect all types of data, but for first-party data, data companies collect directly from customers and offers the most opportunities for personalization. Personalized experiences at scale with dynamic content. This allows you to target certain aspects of an email to users based on their data, behavior, and preferences. The old-school catalogers had a formula that considered timing. It let them pick which people on their list they were going to mail a catalog to. The term they used, recency, frequency, and monetary, referred to how recently a customer had purchased, how many times they had purchased, and how much money they had spent cumulatively on those purchases. Real-time personalized messaging has real-world applications now, and you can be almost anywhere for it to work. Don't miss the opportunity to engage with your customers on special occasions. Schedule automated messages to send on birthdays, sign-up anniversaries, relevant holidays, and more. Include a link in the text that takes them to your site for a special offer. If a user looked at a product on your app but didn't complete the purchase, send product reminders via email to increase sales and reduce shopping cart abandonment. With personalized, instantly triggered emails, we can already send sophisticated messages to customers, and that's just email. Unlike push notifications which appear on a mobile home screen, in-app messages appear while customers are already using the app. These personalized contextual notifications notify customers about important updates and training tutorials, and offer personalized rewards and more. And in the ability to send text messages or a notification through a messaging app or via web push notifications, it gets more interesting. Since customers must opt in to receive SMS texts about business, news, sales, promotions, and more via their mobile devices, they are more likely to opt out if the exchange feels inappropriate. In-app onboarding is an opportunity to show new users how to navigate your interface and find value in your product. You can greet new customers with personalized in-app messages featuring a friendly welcome message or quick training tutorial. Personalized communication is about adapting the marketing message to each individual by using information from a database and utilizing it in the various different media channels available today. That gives the marketer the possibility to create a marketing campaign that cuts through today's clutter of marketing messages. One of the media channels with the possibility for personalization is variable data printing, a printed item produced with digital printing technology. The advancements in digital printing technology has now made it possible to construct and produce advanced variable printing items with good printing quality. Create even more engagement from your power users by gamifying their in-app experiences. One of the most popular ways to do this is by tracking rewards points in the app so customers making frequent purchases get prizes. Behavior triggered emails are also sent when a user fails to do an action, like when they abandon an item in a shopping cart or don't log in to the app for a few days. This reminder may encourage a user to re-engage. The use of personalized communication is, however, still low. One reason for the slow adoption and low implementation of personalized communication might be that the knowledge of how to do it successfully is lacking. Personalization is especially vital on a global scale because different cultures respond to communication and visual prompts in different ways. You can ask a user for their location by requesting a zip code or having them identify their nearest store. When a user grants you permission to send SMS messages, say thank you by sending a freebie or discount straight to their phone. An offer as the first exchange shows the value in subscribing. There is no synthesis of the known information about how to implement personalized communication successfully, and little research and statistic studies made in the subject. Another reason might be that the seemingly higher costs involved in constructing and realizing a personalized marketing campaign is acting deterrent on the marketers. There's more, way more. We don't have to stick to emails anymore. Social media messages can be personalized and sent in real time. So can text messages, website notifications, and the almost futuristic beacons. The types of messages you can send are getting better and harder to ignore. Triggered emails are sent as soon as a user performs a specific action, whether it's finishing their first TV series or placing their first order. Automated emails can be set up to engage users right when they want to interact with your brand. Human-to-human interactions are much more sophisticated. Ask any salesperson if timing matters, or even any savvy preteen or teenage kid. As humans, we know very well that there are good times and bad times to ask for things. But as you know, just adding someone's first name to a message is barely personalization 101. The best marketers take personalization much further. They use your location, your past orders, the past website pages you viewed, the places you've been, the connections you have on social media, the stuff you've saved in your wish list, the ad you clicked, you name it. I've mentioned emails, text messages, messaging app, web push notifications, and beacons. They are all viable channels right now, but we haven't even talked about wearables, augmented reality, or the Internet of Things. For those of us still getting control of the common content marketing formats, blog posts, videos, and podcasts, the idea of creating messaging for cars and Google Glass feels daunting. But the technology exists that will make it easier. Technology like marketing automation and more specifically Acton's adaptive journeys vision technology, sophisticated enough to know when the prospect uses them and on which channel they are most likely to respond to a particular message. Personalization is important because it converts 2 in 3 consumers would rather buy from a brand that knows their name and purchase history. Incorporate location-based marketing to make your product offerings feel more relevant. Always include a clear call to action and consider enticing them with a special offer to ensure conversions. You can also derive viral growth by encouraging users to share congratulatory emails on social media. Track in-app data to find customers who haven't engaged with your brand in a while, and then send them a text message encouraging them to launch your app. To prevent users from opting out, you want to save these for special occasions such as new app features and product launches or seasonal promotions. If you've recently launched a new app feature, you can ask your users for feedback with an in-app survey. This allows you to gather and process the feedback data quickly and tailor questions to specific audiences based on app versions, subscription level, or other custom data attributes. You also don't need to make everything about selling a product or service. Sometimes the right message is sharing a helpful article, maybe tips on how to use your product, or highlighting a cause that your company supports so that certain types of customers are likely to see as a positive step by your brand.